Hey y'all, going to be unboxing the latest Apple Watch band I picked up. This is an official band from Apple and it finally got here today. Let's see what we have. So this is the Nike Sport Loop. Let's see if we can get a good close-up of. I love these bands in particular. These are some of my favorite bands, but it has been a few years since I've purchased a Nike one. Actually, I've never gotten a Nike Sport Loop. The last Nike band I had was the purple and black colorway of the Nike Sport band, which I still have and looks pretty much brand new. But I've heard these are really good, and I love that they have like this reflective yarn built in as well. So if you're on a run, it can help out. But this is the, I want to say Midnight and Red? Midnight Black. Yeah, it is called the Midnight Black Sport Loop. So, and it's the 46 millimeter. I have an Apple Watch Ultra 3, and this is a band I've been using for it. It's actually a AliExpress one. Ain't no shame in my game, and this one has been wonderful. Feels very comfortable. But the Sport Loop has always been the most comfortable band to me. When I got the original Apple Watch Ultra 2, which was my first Apple Watch Ultra, it came with, I got it with the black one. So this looks similar, but different design language, I guess. And little Nike Run tab right here, and you've got the official stitching and everything. So let's go ahead and pop this off. Pop that on out, and then just gotta pop this one on. It's been a while since I wore the Sport Loop, so try to remember how to do it. I actually had to retire my black Sport Loop because it actually got a little too dirty. I mean, it was like about a full year of wearing it. Yeah, so I don't know. I like the band. It's actually, I need to loosen it up a little bit, but very comfortable. Have to see how it actually looks outside at some point, but I really like the look of it. And yeah, you can kind of see the band is a little faded at this point, but I imagine this will last a while, probably at least a year. So, and they have other colorways too. This is just the one I got. They have one that's in pretty much my favorite workout apparel color, like a Volt. So it was just very bright. So I'm going with a little more subtle one here, but looks really good. I believe it's $50, which is cheap in Apple land, at least. A lot of the newer bands now are $100. So, and I've even got the Milanese Loop, which I believe is a $200 band. So this one feels good, and like I said, to me, Sport Loop and the Trail Loops have always been the most comfortable. So yeah, stay tuned.